Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree, and for today's video I'm going to be talking about what I bought at Target. I bought this. It's called Beautiful, and it comes with these products inside. So when I went to Target yesterday with my mother, I saw this box. So this box was only $7 and I just knew I had to have it. So I already opened it up. Let's reach inside and let's see what's inside. The first thing I'm grabbing is this nail polish by, it's kind of hard to see, Sinful Colors, and I have the shade Galaxy. So it says Galaxy, but it has C at the end, like at the ocean, and it just has chunky green glitter. It reminds me of emeralds. The next thing I'm pulling out is this Nexus Carafix shampoo. That smells really nice. The next thing I'm grabbing is this e.l.f. Gotta Glow Lip Tint in pink, perfect pink. I already have this, so I'm going to pass this along to my sister. But this is a really, really good lip tint. The next thing I see here is this Simple Water Boost Micellar Makeup Remover Eye Pads. Ooh, if you saw my empties video, then you knew or you know how much I loved the micellar water. I've been purchasing it for about 2 years, and I've actually been a little bit curious about these wipes. I've been using the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes since I learned about them, which has been, I think I've been using them for about 6-7 years now, and I always use those. I've tried different other things, and nothing is like those Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. There's nothing like them. I love them, and I will always use them. They are like my ride or die, my hardcore stuff that I will always use. So I'm always interested in trying new things because I'm always open to trying new things. So I can't wait to give this a whirl. The next thing I'm reaching in here for is this Honest Beauty Younger Face Deep Hydration Cream. Alright, okay, so I can't wait to try that out. The next thing I am grabbing is this by the brand Olly. It's called Undeniable Beauty. This is for hair, skin, and nails. It's biotin, vitamin C, E, and borage oil. So I guess I have the flavor Grapefruit Glam, and it has other natural flavors in there. So alright, I can't wait to try these out. So these are just vitamins. The next thing I see in here is this L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay Cleanser Detox Brighten Clay to Mousse. I've actually been wanting to try this stuff for like forever, but I've been a little bit of a scaredy cat, and I'm kind of scared to see how this stuff really turns out. But because I have it in this box, I'm going to give this stuff a whirl. And the last thing I see in here is this conditioner that goes with the shampoo. So of course it would make sense that if you have shampoo, you would have conditioner. Duh. So I see some final things in here, and it's this little card here that says, "Hello, beautiful. Mama always said beauty comes from within." Okay, so there's a little target.com/beauty box that you can go to, and you can find all of these items within that link, I believe. Full-size versions of these items. So in the back, it just gives a little description that there's a Gotta Go lip tint from e.l.f., the Simple Water Boost Micellar Makeup Wipes, the Nexus Shampoo and Conditioner, the L'Oreal Pure Clay Cleanser, the Olly Vitamins, Sinful Nail Color in Galactic Sea, or Wonderment. Why does it say or Wonderment? That's really weird. And the Honest, the Younger Face Deep Hydration Cream. And I also got a bunch of coupons for all of the products that I have received in this box. And they don't expire until June. June, July, June again, and then July, and then June. Well, that's not fair. They should just, like, never expire. So I'm a little bit curious as to how these things taste. So I'm going to go ahead and open this bad boy up, and let's just taste one. I don't like the smell of this. It smells a little bit weird. So this is what it looks like. It's a little gummy, so I'm going to go ahead and eat one. Oh, you're supposed to take 2 gummies per day. They don't taste the best. They taste like a really bad, like an off type of like gummy. Like they tried to make it taste like grapefruit, but forgot to put the sugar. It's just so artificial. And not in a good way. It definitely tastes like you are eating medicine. So that is everything that I received in this box. So you can go ahead and pick this up at Target, and it's only for $7. And that's the end of this video. So please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And push that little notification bell so you can know every single time that I upload. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.